This is a video of like literally how quiet my new PS3 is. I just bought it 2 days ago. Listen to that. That's idling on XMB. We're gonna play some games and then I'll come back. Minecraft. About 20 minutes in the game. A little louder. A little hotter. Still not much louder. Let's continue. Where is the logic in this? Lava going down. Fan is a tad bit louder. This is about 40 minutes in. It is hot under here, pretty hot. PS3 Slim, 120 gig. My Xbox 360S is down there. I'll hook it up later. But it's stayed pretty quiet the whole time I've been gaming. So it's a pretty good little console for that.